Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to copy link a research article on Google Scholar using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Type googlescholar.google.com in the address bar and tap Go to open Google Scholar. Once you are on your home page, search for the article or author profile you want to copy the link for. Tap on the article title or the author name to open the page, or you can just tap and hold the highlighted link until a menu will pop up. Now scroll down and tap on copy link. Now you can paste the link anywhere you want, like an email, message or notes app. Just tap and hold in the text field, then tap paste. If you want to share the link quickly, tap the share button in the Safari and choose the app you want to send it through. And that's it. You have just copied a link from Google Scholar on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.